Welcome to my YouTube channel PowerPoint University. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the mind-blowing 6-option gear infographic slide in PowerPoint. As you can see here, I have added 6 gears along with the bigger one in the middle and with different colors and icons to it. And in the background also I have added some gray and some smaller dark color gears. And the beauty of this slide is animated. This is fully animated, and when I click, you can see here it started rotating slowly. The middle one is rotating the counterclockwise and all are rotating the clockwise direction, and this will not stop. It will keep on rotating until and unless you go to the next slide. So let's see how to create this beautiful infographic slide in PowerPoint. Add a new slide and change the background to gradient fill. Then go to view, enable the guides, go to insert, shapes. Under rectangles, select the first one, the second one, which is rectangle rounded corners. Draw, I'll just make the rectangle 0.45 as width, and I can just increase a little bit the height, and then I'll just say align center, align middle, and shape outline, make it no outline, and press Ctrl D to duplicate the object. Go to align again, center, align middle. Now using the Alt and the right arrow key, I'm just going to rotate this object. I'll just press 2 times, 1 and 2, again press Ctrl D, again 1 and 2, Ctrl D, 1, 2, Ctrl D, Alt. 2 times I'm clicking the or touching this right arrow key, press Ctrl D again last time. So you can see here we have ended with this shape. I'm going to select all of this, press Ctrl D to duplicate, and I'm going to keep this here for the future use, and then go to insert, shapes, select oval shape, and bring the cursor exactly at the center and hold the shift and the control key together and drag it so that you can get a perfect circle shape, and release it. This also I'm going to make it no outline, and select all these objects. Under format, merge shapes, say union, so you end up getting this shape. Then I'm just going to give some light gray color here. From this shape I'm just going to remove this and this. So I've ended up with 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and then select this one again, Alt and the left arrow key, and this Alt and the right arrow key. So you have got this shape. Let me just delete this, and then again I'll just bring this one here, and again using insert, shapes, select the oval shape, and again using the Control and Shift key, I'm just keeping this one here, maybe this much size is okay, and select all these objects. Under format, merge shapes, again union it, and you can give the same color. Shape outline, make it no outline, and reduce the size and keep it here. Let me just increase the size a little bit. So I'll just keep this one here, press Ctrl D to duplicate. This will be here. You have to rotate a little bit, and Ctrl D again. This will go here, So this I will keep it here. You can rotate a little bit. And then two more. And this is the last one. So yes, you can see here our basic design is ready now. Next I'm going to add oval shape inside this. Go to insert shapes, select an oval shape, draw an oval shape by holding the shift key and select this and this. Go to align, just say align center and align middle. Again press Ctrl D. You can, or before that I'm just going to give some different color. Select this, right mouse click, go to format shape and select gradient fill. I'm going to select two different colors. Maybe I'll just say some this color with a pink combination maybe. And you can go to the lines. Line also you can just say gradient fill, and one side of line I'm just going to give some black color. The other one I'll make it white, and transparency level let me just increase it to 100%. So you end up getting this one. Then you can press Ctrl D to duplicate and start placing in other gears, and just make sure that this is properly aligned. Align center, align middle, Ctrl D. And last in the center, increase the size and put it in the center. And these colors you can start changing one by one. Maybe I'm going to give some this color with some lighter color. So likewise you just change all the colors. I have changed all the colors and this doesn't look in the center. Let me just align center and align middle. Okay, so like this also you have to just align it properly, and then you can go to insert icons and you can select any icons. I'm using Office 365 version. Maybe if you're using the older version, these icons options will not be available for you. So I'm just going to select some icons here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and all this color I'm going to make it white, and then I'll start placing one after the other. Reduce the size a little bit. So I've added all these icons, and then I'm going to give the animation for this. To do the animation, go to animations tab, enable the animation. The first I'm just going to select the gear. I'm not going to select the circles. I'm just going to select the gear only, and then click here the down arrow key, and under random you can see a spin, but this spin is happening very fast. I'm going to make it very slow. Double click the animation. I'll increase the smooth start. If you want, you can give auto reverse also. Timing, I'll say extremely slow, and repeat until end of slide, and click OK. So you can see here it will move very slowly or rotate very slowly. And if you see here, this is I'm using clockwise. If you want, you can use anti-clockwise also, or counterclockwise, so it will rotate the other side. You can see it rotate counterclockwise. Then I'm just going to select this animation painter. I'm just going to first select this animation, and this animation, it should go the counterclock or the clockwise, sorry, and just say OK. And this should happen with previous. Now if you see here, if I play, so this is both are moving exactly the opposite direction. And then using the animation painter, double click, I'm going to copy the animation to all, so here you can see here, if I slide show, when I click, so only the center one is going a counterclockwise and all are going clockwise direction. So the animation part is completed. Let me just add some arrows. For that, go to insert, shapes, and select this one, which is the arc, and I'll just, you can make like this and put it here. Shape outline, I'll make it white, and I'll use a dotted line, and right mouse click, go to format shape. Under end arrow size, I'll select this one arrow key and arrow size a bigger one, so you end up getting like this. Press Ctrl D to duplicate, start copying to other objects, so just make sure that you rotate it properly. Press Ctrl D. If you want, you can reduce the size also like this and keep it here. Ctrl D. You can increase the size, rotate it. Then the last two. So I'm just rotating it. Align it properly, and you can see here I have added this one. The next one, you can add one more shape, which is again the rectangle rounded corners. Make it fully curved, drag it inside, becomes fully curved. You can increase the size, and shape outline, make it white, shape fill, make it no fill, and press Ctrl D. You can start adding one by one. This is for this. Press Ctrl D. And then you can add your text here. If you want, you can connect this with arrows also. Add the text, go to insert text box. You can say this is a 0 1, or you can just say step 0 1, and choose any good font and press Ctrl D, reduce the size, and you can give some lighter color. Type your detailed text here. I'll select both of this, Ctrl G to group it, Ctrl D, and start copying everywhere and change the steps. So this will be the step 3, step 4, this is a step 5, and step 6. So let me just change it. Six, 5, 4, 3, this is 2, and you can change the color also according to the color which you have selected. In the background, I'm using one image, which is this image is a separate PNG file. I just club it together to give a very good look. So go select this, place in the center, and then send to back. So you can see here it gives you entirely a different look. If you want, you can just add some shadow also. For example, I'm just going to select, press Ctrl D, make it a smaller one, and give some different color or dark color, and I'm going to place somewhere here, and I will just say send to back. So likewise, we can place some random here and there to give some good look to the slide. You can use, or you can just send back also, or send to back also, you can just do. So if you see here, let me just show you how it looks in the slideshow. So if you see here, when I click, it is start rotating, and you can see here this also is rotating in the background or in the back side. And this you can make it either 4 options or 3 or 6 or 7, up to your requirement. So that's it from me, friends. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel PowerPoint University, and do subscribe to my channel. That's it from me, friends. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe PowerPoint University. See you soon with more interesting stuff. Till then, goodbye.